Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this video, I am explaining to calculate the triangle area using its three sides and then base and height. In the first round, I will be writing very simple code and then extending it based on the requirement. Now, first, let me enter the value of first side, write the code to enter two more sides, B and C, and then we have to compute the variable that is half of perimeter, and let me calculate this variable s. This is there. Now let me print these values and verify that these values are input or not. These values are input or not, and even the results, intermediate results, have to be checked that result is computed correctly or not. Here let me print this value s also. S is equal to %f, and run this code. Enter first side 12, enter second side. By mistake it's not 1, but let us see the input, and third side is 13, and we got the error. And see, there is error type here. We are clearly getting a message: unsupported operand types. Operands. The operands means this is the only expression which is calculating some values, and here we have some operands a, b, c, and this is unsupported operand types for string and integer. So now we have to correct this code. And the code is, we have to make these values numeric, because by default input type in string is string in Python, and we have to make it suitable code, numeric code, either int or float. In this version, let me make it float, and this also. Let me correct two more sides, and now see the result, whether it is correct or not. 12, 1, 13. The values are printed, the calculated value is also printed, and now we should extend the code to compute the triangle area. And in order to calculate the area of a triangle, we have to check whether see, uh, we know the formula to calculate the triangle area is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, and that square root is calculated with the help of sqrt function, and that is a part of math package. Here it is showing the error, so we have to import the math. Now the error is gone, and you see one thing: when we press dot to the package name, the listed identifiers are these. Among these we have the sqrt function also. This is the sqrt function, and we can happily use this. Now we had calculated this, and let us check the result. Again, we should verify whether we are able to get the output or not. Let me enter the same sides, 1, 12, this, or in fact 14. Again we had a big error, and you see the error, that is value error, math domain error. Now here we know a condition, simple condition, that the sum of any two sides should be greater than third side. And here we had entered the values, these 12, 1, 14. The sum of these two sides, 12 plus 1, 13, is not greater than 14. There is an error. So this should be checked before this. And here is the code. Here we had extended the code for this to check this value, and we print the area also. And if the condition is false, This is the message we had printed. Again run this code and see the output. Value of two sides 12. Let me enter 12 plus 4 plus 15 or 16. Triangle is not possible because 12 plus 4 16 is not greater than equal to 16. So again run this code and you have to be accurate about these values. 12 plus 14 plus 16, and here is the answer. Now one thing, we can have a modification in this output. We can suppress the value of this variable, and instead of getting 6 values after decimal place, we can reduce this, and that is 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, and here is the result for us. Enter the sides 12, 16 and 10. We are getting only 2 values after decimal place, and this is the code for this. Now we can calculate the area of a triangle based on its base and height, and here is the code for this. Let us input the values of base and height. Here is the code for this, and compute the values. And here is the code for this, and we had in a simple code, area is equal to half, that is 0.5 into base into height. This is a simple formula, and in this code we had used single print statement to print all 3 values in separate lines, and we had used a character /n new line character for this purpose. And let us see the result. This is the first code, 12, 16 and 12. Area is calculated. Now enter the value of base and height 20 and 10. So we got the result. This is there, and we had a comma after this. This can be corrected. Put the comma before this, or there is no need of comma as well, because the output is on a separate line. And you check the output again, 12, 14, 11. This is the output. Enter the values. Base is 20 and this is 22 height. We got the area of the triangle. This is there. Thank you.